Hello everyone, this is Cynthia. Welcome to visit our company. Our company have our own design team and we are professional of steel structure. Our products factory, warehouse, porter house, and container house. And today let me show you our container house production process. Come on. Okay, please see this. These are our galvanized steel sheet. Okay, and there is the laser blanking area, and our worker is working now. And this one is the cutting machine. This is for the PPGR single sheet. You can see this is the PPGR single sheet. This is for the roof panel. Okay, now we are at the flat bending area. You can see these are our two machines. Okay, now there are also the raw material area. You can see this one. This is the checkered board. This is for the stairs, and the worker use this come to there. There is the cutting board area. They cut them according to the drawing. Okay, here is our column welding area. This column has already completed, and this is for our Australia customer. Okay, here are our raw material areas. You can see these are the square tube. All materials would be inspected for thickness, strength, length, and weather before put into production. And if the inferior is found, it will be returned to the supplier. And all of them were bought from famous supplier in China and were inspected before entering our factory. Okay, here is our packing area. You can see these panels are packing now. Here, the workers are cutting the hole into the window size. You can see. Okay, here is our frame welding area. You can see our worker is working now.